Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Paris Williams, and I am back with this glam. And guess what? You asked, so you got us products included makeup tutorial. So I included all of the products. I'm going to say the shades. I got y'all covered. I do show the products and I do show the colors. I had to get ready for the second episode of my show Beauty Business with Paris with special guest John Doe. So get ready to see her on my show. I really do like this look. I feel really pretty, really classy. And y'all know I'm a classy girl. If you don't know, now you know. So this is the look. I'm not gonna talk too much. I think we should just get into it. Hey guys. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have been under the weather for about a month. My voice is gone. I'm very congested, so I'm not gonna do a talk through. I'm just gonna do a voiceover, and I'm definitely gonna include products because you guys have been on it. Especially, I want to say her name is like Leslie G or Lily G, or I'm gonna put my subscriber right here. It's always asking me for products. Girl, I got you today. So stick with me. We're gonna go through this quick, but I'm gonna put all the products, and if you guys want a detailed talk through with products, then I can do that as well. So let's jump into this because I am filming the second episode of my show Beauty Business with Paris today. So I just want to do a really pretty look when I'm on camera. I want to look my best. I am in a rush though, so we can make it happen quick. Anyway, I can't talk anymore. Just watch. All right.
catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie, I've tried what they offered, they're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're mine, baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always known. It don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
Somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? It could have been right when I was wrong. Only think about you and me alone. Part of me that can't see this gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we tried to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. Who I'm holding it in, 'cause I know in the end, we dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been, we could have Remember the night in Miami, first time you put your arms around me. Don't put reminiscing. Thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what could you do if I decide to face the truth. It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you and think about wrong. Only hit me up when she's not wrong, and that's why I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. I'm holding it in, 'cause I know in the end, we dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been, we could have been, we could have been, we could have been, we could have been. What we could have been, what we should have been. If I wasn't with somebody, if we gotta hide it, what's the point of trying? I ain't just a friend, I wasn't one of nine, trying to sell a story, ain't nobody buying, ain't nobody could be about eyes. Don't laugh for eyes. Why should it end? Pity I
drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing twisted slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. Know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep this shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I D.I.E. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you go? Feel my age, I'm sending action. These days, no my age. Niggas be blasting, living in the mix up. This shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. No time outside of fuck you and feel my vibe. Stand on my head, on my side. Keep inside, and you better choose wise. Catch my high, so beautiful all the time. Curious, kissing me, God. Oh, you say you're curious, oh no. Shawty, curious, kissing me, God. Oh, you say you're curious, oh no. Shawty, curious, kissing me, God. Oh, you say you're curious, oh no. Shawty, curious, kissing me, God. Oh, you say you're curious, oh no. Shawty, curious, kissing me, God. Oh, you say you're curious, oh no. Shawty, curious.
Okay, so this is the finished makeup look. I am about to do my hair, pop on my clothes, and get ready to film my second episode of Beauty Business with Paris. If you have not caught my first episode with Glam, you can click it right here and make sure to check that out. Basically, Beauty Business is a show where I do glam on my guests and I get into their business. It's hosted by me, makeup by me, and it's so much fun. It's real positive and it's just a good time. So make sure to check out my show, Beauty Business with Paris. Be right back. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't mess around, beat your ass. Just kidding, don't call Peta.